नमस्ते बच्चों। तो आज की क्लास में हम सीखेंगे आ की मात्रा। उससे पहले हम कुछ सेंटेंसेस सीखेंगे कि हिंदी में उनको कैसे बोलते हैं। ठीक है, चलो हिंदी सीखें। लेट्स लर्न हिंदी। दिस इज व्हाट इज रिटन हियर। चलो हिंदी सीखें। ओके, सो डू यू सी हियर इट सेज टॉल बॉय। बॉय को हिंदी में कहते हैं लड़का। ओके, वी डिड दैट इन अर्लियर क्लास। एंड गर्ल को कहते हैं लड़की। बॉय इज आ साउंड एंड गर्ल इज ई साउंड. So for tall boy, it becomes lamba ladka. Okay, a sound. Since you're talking about a boy, the word is lamba, a sound. If you're talking about a tall girl, the word lamba becomes lambi, e sound. Lambi ladki. ठीक है. If you're talking about the boy, it becomes lamba ladka. If you're talking about girl, it becomes lambi ladki. With your boy and girl, the word lamba becomes lambi, and for the boy it is a sound. Similarly, if you have lovely boy, lovely को हिंदी में कहते हैं प्यारा. So for a boy it becomes प्यारा लड़का. For a girl it becomes प्यारी लड़की. E sound. Okay. Next we have is big brother. Brother को हिंदी में कहते हैं भाई. भ से भालू, भ से भाई. So what will you say big brother? Big को हिंदी में कहते हैं बड़ा. Okay, it already has a sound, so it will be बड़ा भाई. Okay. Now if you have to talk about big sister, okay, sister is a girl and sister को हिंदी में कहते हैं बहन. बहन, बहन. So how will you say big sister in Hindi? It becomes बड़ी बहन. Okay, same like big brother, बड़ा भाई. It has a sound in बड़ा. For big sister it becomes बड़ी बहन. E sound in badi. Similarly, if you have to talk about small or younger brother, it is chota bhai. Again, the word chota is the a sound. Chota bhai. If you are talking about small or younger sister, it is choti behan. E sound. Choti behan. Choti हमने इसलिए बोला because sister is a girl. That's why it is E sound in choti behan. So all these words, tall, lovely, big, small, they change from A to E if you are talking about a girl. Tall is lamba and lambi. Lovely, pyara, pyari. Big is bada, badi. And small or younger is chota, choti. You just have to use chota or a sound for a boy and choti or e sound for a girl when you're talking about girl. So we will learn some more words or sentences today. So if you look here, it is hot tea. Hot को हिंदी में कहते हैं गरम and tea को कहते हैं चाय. च से चाय, ग से गरम. So when you say hot tea, you will say garam chai. If you're talking about cold tea, how will you say that? You will say thandi chai. Now you will ask me, what is chai? Chai is a boy or a girl? In Hindi language, it is a girl. I know you are confused. You are thinking it has a sound, chai. But there are some words in Hindi, even if they have a sound, they are girls. Or even if they have e sound, they are boys. Okay? So when you say hot tea, it is not garmi chai. The word garam remains the same for a boy and for a girl. For example, दूध. दूध को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं milk. Okay? And milk or दूध in Hindi is boy. So you will always say garam दूध. Okay, not garma दूध. It is always garam. Okay, it never changes to a or e. This is how you say that in Hindi. Garam doodh, garam chai. Whether you're talking about a boy or a girl, the word garam remains the same. But if you're talking about cold milk, cold word will change. Cold को हिंदी में कहते हैं ठंडा दूध. So now we are using a sound in ठंडा, ठंडा दूध, because दूध is a boy. And if you have to say cold tea, tea is female, tea is girl, तो आप बोलोगे ठंडी चाय. So the word ठंडा change from a to e when you're talking about boy or girl, but the word garam remains the same. Garam chai, garam दूध, garam पानी. Okay, ठंडा पानी, ठंडी चाय, ठंडा दूध. Okay, let's move on to the next words here. The word is difficult. Okay, and the sentence, the small sentence is difficult book. Difficult को हिंदी में कहते हैं मुश्किल, and book को कहते हैं किताब. Just like hot, difficult also does not change when you're talking about a boy or a girl. Here we are talking about book. Book को हिंदी में कहते हैं किताब. Okay, and kitab is a girl. So you will say mushkil kitab. Even if it has been a boy word, still you will use mushkil. Okay. Next we have is beautiful girl. Beautiful को हिंदी में कहते हैं सुंदर. सुंदर लड़की. And if you're talking about a boy, handsome boy, you will still use the word sundar ladka. So hot, difficult, beautiful. They don't change from a to e sound or any other sound. They are used as is. Garam, mushkil, sundar. Okay. So when you say tea is hot, इसको हम हमेशा बोलेंगे चाय गरम है. Okay, tea is chai, hot is always garam. You will not use garma or garmi here. This is one word which will remain the same. Okay, one of those words. Chai garam hai is your hai in Hindi. Chai garam hai. And when how will you say tea is cold? Remember I told you cold word change from a to e sound. So it will be chai ठंडी है. अब आप अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ प्रैक्टिस करोगे, आपको पता चल जाएगा which words are in Hindi are girls, which words in Hindi are boys, and which words change from a to e and which words remain same. Okay, all right, so let's start with a की मात्रा. Before I start a की मात्रा, do you remember mango को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? मैंगो को कहते हैं आम. Okay, आम. So when you are saying आम, it has a की मात्रा. Okay, a से anar and then you add another line, another one to it. Remember, that is how you write bada a or a. So now, how do you write chai in Hindi? You will say ch, a की मात्रा y. Remember, chai, it has a sound. So instead of letter a, we use this one here or a line here. That is your a की मात्रा. So it will be ch, a की मात्रा y. Chai. Next, we have is r से रेलगाड़ी. Then you have a की मात्रा. J से जहाज, जहाज is ship or cruise, and then you have a की मात्रा. Can you tell me the word? It will be r, a, j, a. So what will be the word? It will be Raja. Okay, what do you see here? It's a picture of carrot. So carrot को हिंदी में अभी मैं आपको बताऊंगी क्या कहते हैं. First, we will revise the letters. This is G से gamla. Gamla is vase. This is A की मात्रा. So this becomes G and A की मात्रा ga. Okay. G and A की मात्रा becomes ga. Similarly, in the previous exercise, ra and a ki matra become ra. So when you say ra, you open your mouth wide enough. Okay, so here we were here. G, a ki matra ga, j se jahaj, and r se railgadi. So this two becomes g, j, r. So what does the word become? It becomes gajar. Okay, just remember how I am saying it. Gajar. Okay, when you combine first two, it is g and a ki matra ga. And when you combine these two letters j and ra, it is jar. So when you combine ga and jar, it becomes gajar. Look at the word here. Okay, g, a ki matra, which is your one, you can say that, j and r, and you have to put a line on the top because all Hindi words and letters have a roof on the top. Since it's a word, it's not a letter, we will combine all these letters under one roof. Okay, do you see here? The kids are fighting. Fighting is not good. So how do we say that in Hindi? This is letter J. J se jhanda. Jhanda is flag. G. G se gamla. This is letter R. Okay, we did this letter in sadak. Sadak. So this is the same letter R. And we have a ki matra here. So when you combine J and G, it becomes jhag. And when you combine R and a ki matra, it becomes ra. Okay, jhag, ra. So what will be the word? It will be jhagda. That's how you write. Jh, g, r, and a ki matra. Jhagda. So now we will practice some sentences. We just did it. Jhagda. M and ta milke banta hai mat. K and ra is kar. Jhagda mat kar. That means don't fight. Okay, this is here aam. Aam, chak, matlab taste mango. Chak is taste and aam is mango. Then you have phal, kha. Phal is your fruit and kha is to eat. That means eat fruit. So these are some simple Hindi sentences you guys can practice at home with your mommy and daddy. Just remember one thing, when you are using a ki matra, you have this a se aam, right? So we will cross out this and only one remains. So this is always be used as your a ki matra. So whenever you will write chai, you will make cha, a ki matra, and y, and a roof on the top. Chai. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video and we will see each other next time. Thank you. Bye.